वेलकम टू एवरीडे पॉडकास्ट लेट्स टॉक। दिस इज योर होस्ट मोहम्मद अफान और आज हम एपिसोड कर रहे हैं ई कॉमर्स के हवाले से। सो वी हैव वन ऑफ आवर ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म ओनर्स मिस जियाना सखिया। अच्छा मिस जियाना, थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन देते जो लोग आपको नहीं जानते।
जी, तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी। मेरा नाम जियाना सखिया है। आई एम द CEO एंड co-founder of Beachlo.pk. इसके अलावा आई हैव स्पेंट माय करियर एज एन एजुकेटर, आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड आई एम अ मम ऑफ 3. सो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हैव माय हैंड्स फुल. Beachlo.pk बेसिकली एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ घर बैठे खवातीन आमदनी हासिल कर सकती हैं, राइट? सो अगर आपका कोई स्मॉल बिजनेस है, आप रीसेलर इंडस्ट्री में हैं, या आप प्री लव्ड आइटम्स अपने खुद के या अपनी फैमिली वालों के सेल करना चाहते हैं, so you can basically upload your products onto Beachlo.pk and we take care of everything else. So whether it's customer service, delivery, payments, वो सब हमारा headache है. Customers आपके लिए लेके आना वो भी हमारा headache है. So it really gives women an opportunity to be able to focus on growing their business, spending time with their families, and still earn an income.
Right. So before we move towards Beachlo, I just really want to go, okay, yaar, why do you felt like you want to join this entrepreneurial journey? Why do you felt that कि मुझे ही काम करना चाहिए?
Okay, so मेरा background basically, I did my BBA in business. I've always had an entrepreneurial background. My family comes from an entrepreneurial background as well, and I was always interested in having my own business and being my own boss per se. My actual venturing into entrepreneurship was more accidental. So I started my first business in 2010, and it was when I came across a problem that Pakistani designer fashion उस वक्त Middle East में available नहीं था, and I had moved to the Middle East. People used to say, you know, आप पाकिस्तान जा रही हैं, please हमारे कपड़े बनवा के ले आएं. And instead of doing it as a social service, I realized that there was a market opportunity, and I started a e-commerce platform. It was called fashionistas.com, where I got Pakistani designers के कपड़े onboarded through. I onboarded those designers, and again I would take care of their orders. I would take care of shipping, delivery, and then we shipped these products out. Initially we started with the Middle East, but it was all over the world. Beachlo का भी बहुत coincidental था. I was not looking to set up a business at that time, but we came across a problem where we realized कि Facebook पे, WhatsApp पे, Instagram पे इतने businesses हैं, इतनी products available हैं, but they're not discoverable. So as a buyer, if I wanted to buy something from these small businesses, I didn't know how to look them up unless I knew their brand name. As a seller, it was very hard to get hold of customers because you had to rely on posting on a group. उस group में आपका post नीचे चला गया, किसी ने देखा नहीं. There was no discoverability for your product. And because I'd had a background in e-commerce, I felt like this is a problem that can very easily be solved. Right. You know, and internationally ऐसे platforms हैं जहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. So my actual businesses were very coincidental. I didn't aim to start them when I started them, but I've always kind of had this idea that I want to be an entrepreneur, and I like the challenge and I like the hustle and the work that goes into it.